Hello everyone. By the way, have you gotten your juicer? Because I told you I was going to introduce you to some recipes, very simple recipes, things that are available. Here I have before me 2 sets of recipes. I'm going to introduce the ingredients to you. They are all available, so nothing to worry about. The one here before me is coriander, just a quarter size of a bunch. That's what I've sliced here. And then I have half an apple, half a green apple, already cut into pieces to give it sweetness. I have broccoli, about a third or a quarter, depends on the head of the broccoli, Then I have boiled chop, just a little head of boiled chop cut into pieces. Then I have carrot. Carrot is so important. I told you that 3 leafy greens, and then either a sweetener, a spice, or even a little seasoning is good, just to make a variety of the taste. So carrots I'm going to just use to add to the volume. You can have pure carrot juice, which is so important. If you are treating anything, at least you should have up to 70% of carrots and 30% of green. So this is just a simple recipe. Then on my left is another recipe. You can see this is carrots. This is lettuce, local lettuce, just a little bunch. You can see it's just like a handful, I told you. And then this is watercress. This is locally sourced, just like a handful, nothing too much. And this is our miracle leaf, 2 big leaves. And then we have here a string of rosemary stem. Now these have all been washed and properly cleaned. If you check my previous video, you will see preparation, washing, storage, and everything. But just a simple recipe to demonstrate today. So come along with me, and then immediately after this, please make sure you do your own juicing as well. So let's start. Okay, here we go. So everything has been cut into tiny bits. Okay, I think we have about 300 ml. You can see 300 ml, that's what we have right there. And all we need is 250 ml for each of the containers. So this is the first recipe. And when we are done with this first recipe, we go on the second recipe now. And then it's time to release the juice. Yummy! This is food that is your medicine. This goes for any disease, anything. So this is our first recipe. It must be filled up to the brim, not to allow oxidation. And then, except you are going to put it in the freezer, so you use you bring it down a bit, But if you are taking it for the day and it's going to be in the fridge, you have to put it to that's to be very full. And then you seal it up. Watercress is going in. Carrots. So if you do only green without putting other hard stuff, it's going to foam. So you have to alternate a little bit of green, a little bit of carrots or cucumber, just spicing or flavoring. This is fresh rosemary I'm putting in there to give it some nice taste. That's fresh rosemary I've just put in there. And this is the miracle leaf going in right there. Going in right there, right there. We have watercress. All these are locally sourced. This is our local lettuce. I'm sure you know about this. And then here I have carrot again. Another thing I would like you to know is that you can multiply this quantity into 3 if you want to have the same flavor. You can increase it and multiply them into 3, so you have 3 of this. Yeah, we're getting there. Okay. Our second recipe. Like I said, you can have 2 of this, 2 glasses of this. That is, you increase the quantity, so you have 2 glasses, or you have 3 different flavor or recipe. I mean, so with these 2 recipes, you can have 4 glasses, and then have 4 glasses a day or 6 glasses, anyhow you want it. It is what it looks like. Sometimes you can have all green without carrots. So this is what it looks like. So to get all out, I just lifted the machine to give me every ounce. Transfer it into the storage bottle. So that is it. So if you were to keep this in the freezer, this is the quantity for storage in the freezer. It's not as full as this. This one you can leave in the fridge. In the freezer, you can have it up to 2 weeks. And then every evening, you bring it out into your fridge, and by morning it's defrosted. See, it's frozen. Ooh, can't even open it. But it's frozen. It's been here 4 days now. 4 days. So in the night, I bring it out into my fridge. And this is 2 bottles. This is 500 ml. And these are all 250 ml. So this is how I store them in the freezer. But this one you have to take within 48 hours. And after keeping it in the fridge, you have to take it within 48 hours. So these are the 2 recipes for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. And I want to advise you, please start. Start now. Start now. And begin to deal with all those various ailments that are troubling your life. Thank you.